Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you've ever heard about Bitcoin, you've probably also heard the term mining. It sounds mysterious, right? Can you really just generate free money from your laptop? And is that even still a thing people do? Today, we're going to break down exactly what is Bitcoin mining. Let's get into it. To understand mining, you have to go back to the core idea of Bitcoin itself. It was created as a decentralized alternative to the banking system. That means no central authority. No single company or government in charge. Think about it this way. When you send money to a friend, you're relying on your bank to update its massive, central ledger. They debit your account and credit your friends. They have all the control. So, the million-dollar question is, how do you create a system where anyone can help update that ledger without giving any one person too much power? How do you avoid corruption or negligence without a boss? Well, Bitcoin solves this with a brilliantly creative system. You can think of it as a giant, global game of, who wants to be a banker? Basically, anyone can participate in updating the Bitcoin transaction ledger, which is called the blockchain. All you have to do is have your computer guess a random number. It's trying to solve a complex cryptographic equation created by the system. The more powerful your computer is, the more guesses it can make per second, which increases your chances of winning. And if you guess right, two things happen. First, you earn new Bitcoins. And second, and more importantly, you get to write the next page of transactions onto the blockchain. You become the temporary banker. Your proposed block of transactions is sent out to the entire network for validation, and once it's verified, everyone updates their copy of the ledger. It's this constant, competitive guessing game that keeps the entire system honest, secure, and truly decentralized. It's called mining because new Bitcoins are mined from the system as a reward for this work. But that reward is really just a byproduct. The main goal has always been to maintain that ledger in a decentralized way. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Cool, free money. Where do I sign up? Well, not so fast. You see, Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin's anonymous creator, designed the system to be self-adjusting. The more total mining power that joins the network, the harder the math problem becomes. This is called the mining difficulty, and it ensures that new blocks are added roughly every 10 minutes, on average. This design, by its very nature, created an arms race. Back in 2009, you could mine with just your computer's CPU. Then, people realized that more powerful GPUs, yes, the graphics cards from your gaming PC, were far more effective. Then came even more specialized hardware, first FPGAs, and finally, ASIC miners. These are machines built from the ground up for one thing and one thing only: mining Bitcoin. They are the standard today. They're incredibly powerful, and they are incredibly energy intensive. The casual miner with a laptop was effectively priced out of this game years ago. Which brings us to the big question: is mining profitable? The short answer is, probably not for you. The long answer is that it depends on a lot of complicated factors. You have to consider your hash rate, that's your miner's guessing speed. You have the block reward, which is currently 6.25 BTC per block, but it halves every 4 years. Then there's the mining difficulty itself, which is constantly changing. A huge factor is your electricity cost. These machines are power-hungry beasts. You also have to factor in your miner's efficiency, any fees from joining a mining pool, which is where most miners combine their power to share rewards, and of course, the massive variable you can't predict, the price of Bitcoin itself. Now, you might have heard of alternatives, like cloud mining, where you rent mining power from a company. It sounds easy, right? No hardware hassle. But beware. Most of these sites are unprofitable at best, and outright scams at worst. Many are just Ponzi schemes that will eventually disappear with your money. My advice? Steer clear of them. What about mining on your phone? Well, it's technically possible, but you'll completely drain your battery to earn a fraction of a penny. It's just not worth it. And then there's web mining, where websites can use your visitors' CPU power to mine cryptocurrency. It's pretty controversial. It's often done without the user's consent and can put a lot of strain on hardware. While some see it as an alternative to showing ads, it's mostly used for other coins and is generally frowned upon. Alright, let's tackle some final big questions. First, isn't mining a huge waste of electricity? It's a very common criticism. But it's worth considering that the entire traditional banking system, all the banks, their servers, ATMs, card networks, and the physical production of paper and metal for cash, consumes far more energy and resources than Bitcoin mining. Furthermore, Bitcoin mining is actually pushing the industry to use excess and stranded energy, like flare gas from oil fields or hydroelectric power during the rainy season, arguably making global energy use more efficient. Second, couldn't a giant company like Google or Amazon just take over all the mining? They could try, but it wouldn't work. Their massive server farms aren't built for this specific task. If Google dedicated its entire global infrastructure just to mining Bitcoin, it would still only account for a tiny fraction of the network's total power. The Bitcoin network is now far too big and distributed for any single entity to dominate. And finally, the most important question: so, should I mine Bitcoin? After all this, you probably know the answer. The barrier to entry is just too high. The smarter alternatives are often to just buy Bitcoin outright on a reputable exchange, or if you're interested in the tech side of things, maybe look into mining other, smaller cryptocurrencies that can still be mined profitably with GPUs. Hopefully, this demystified Bitcoin mining for you. It's a fascinating system that really is the backbone of the entire cryptocurrency. If you like our video, do subscribe, like and share as the motivation for us to produce more videos.